Hey everybody, welcome back to KLV TV. Today we have a couple items that came in for our GoPro. Let's take a look at them. Have you ever taken the door off to use the HDMI or charge port and lost your door? Well, we have a few items for you to make your GoPro waterproof again and stop that from happening. First, you can opt to buy a new door for your GoPro, make it waterproof. Second, to make that not happen again, I found this case on Amazon, link in the description. It comes with a lens cover, a carry bag, and a case. Now, the special thing about this case is the charge port side opening. So let's put the GoPro in the case. It does have nice foam around the cover to hold your GoPro securely. As I said, the special thing about this case is the cover opening. The standard GoPro case has a small opening. This case, you can open the door without removing your cover. That way, it's less likely to get lost. And you can close your door. On this case, you cannot do that. It does have a hole where your speaker is on the side, but not on the top. This case is also textured slightly, sort of a velvety feel. It's much easier to open. It's got a larger tab, and it fits your GoPro just as snugly as the original. Here is our included lens cover. Fits right on the lens. It's pretty snug. And that's our first accessory for today, is our GoPro case that you can open the charge port door without removing the case. For our second item, we have a Refuel Action Pack 9-hour extended battery case. This case does say you get 9 hours at 720p, 8 hours at 1080p, or 6 hours at 4K. It's used for extreme cold and heat. It is dust and dirt proof, and it's IP68 waterproof. So if you did happen to lose your door, after removing it, this will extend your battery and make your GoPro waterproof again. So let's open it up. In the box, you get your battery pack case, instructions, warranty card, and accessories. So we have a standard GoPro mount. We also have a 1/4-20 mount. We have our charge cable, we have a power button, It comes charged halfway. We have our charge port that is waterproof, uses a micro USB, has a nice seal around it. We have a strong clip on top, and when you want to use this, you just open it up, take out the cardboard, remove your GoPro from your other case without your charge door. Take your GoPro, insert it into the case, close the lid, and it snaps into place. Now, as you can see, we are now charging our GoPro with our battery pack. You can use this battery pack with or without a battery. So we'll take it out. We'll remove our battery, close our lid, reinstall the GoPro into the battery pack, and our GoPro is now plugged in with no battery. Our GoPro is turned on, plugged in, with no battery. With this pack, you can turn your GoPro power off. You can turn the battery pack off. Either way will save your battery. It is slightly more bulky than the original case. If you have lost your charge port door, this all-in-one charger, battery extender, will make your GoPro waterproof again and extend your battery life. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, share, like, and consider subscribing to my channel, KLV TV. Y'all have a great day.